everyone, my name is Nimra. Welcome back to the channel Seller Sky. Hope you are all well. Today we will discuss the important update about Amazon. If you are an Amazon seller, this new update will make your life easier. Now you can create bulk listing using your own custom spreadsheet template instead of Amazon standard format. Stay tuned as I walk you through how this works and how it can save your time. Amazon has introduced a new feature that lets sellers upload their own spreadsheet template to create bulk product listing. Amazon added a new option under the list your product page. You can now use your own spreadsheet template instead of Amazon standard ones. This feature helps in bulk listing multiple products at a time. If you already have product data saved in spreadsheet, you can now use them directly. You can also use product files from other Amazon store without needing to reformat them. Previously, Amazon only allowed bulk upload using their predefined template. Seller had to adjust their data to fit Amazon format before uploading. Now you can use your own template instead of adjusting them to Amazon format. This saves time and effort for seller managing large inventories. You need to upload your data in an Excel or TSV table spread values file. Amazon AI will automatically adjust your data into the required format. This AI help in mapping your data correctly into the Amazon system. Amazon will first create drafting listing based on your spreadsheet. You can check, edit, and correct any mistake before finalizing the listing. This ensures accuracy before the product go live on Amazon. If you need more detail, Amazon provide custom guidance on your list your product page. This page likely includes step-by-step instruction for using this new feature. In the whole, the summary is Amazon now allows seller to bulk upload product listing using their own spreadsheet template. You just need to upload an Excel or TSP file and Amazon AI will convert into the draft listing. This makes bulk listing faster, easier and more flexible. This new feature is a game changer for Amazon seller. No more struggling with the rigid templates and lets Amazon AI handle the formatting, reviewing the draft and launch your listing effortlessly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thought or question, share this with your fellow seller to help them streamline their listing too. Subscribe for more tips and update to grow your online business. Thank you.